In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your Shopify site header menu into a stylish drawer menu style. This is a great way to improve the aesthetics and functionality of your website, giving it a sleek, modern look. So, let's get started. First, you need to access the site editor on your Shopify dashboard. This is the hub where all the magic happens, giving you the ability to customize different aspects of your online store. Once you're in the site editor, direct your attention to the header menu section. You should see its properties panel appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you'll find various options to modify how your header menu behaves and appears. Now, among these options, locate the drop-down menu labeled Menu Type. This drop-down is crucial because it lets you switch between different menu styles available for your theme. For our purpose today, you'll want to select the drawer option from this menu. By selecting drawer, you're choosing a style where the menu slides in and out, typically from the side of the screen, which provides a clean, space-saving interface for your visitors. It's pretty intuitive and quite the app upgrade for those looking to modernize their site's appearance without overwhelming their customers with visible navigation all the time. Once you've made this selection, you'll notice something exciting happens almost immediately. The site editor should automatically convert your menu into the drawer menu style you selected. This will change the visual layout in real time, so you can assess how everything looks and feels on your website and make any further adjustments if necessary. While this is generally a straightforward process, it's important to be aware that the customization options available to you may vary depending on the theme you are currently using. In my case, I'm working with the Dawn theme, which conveniently includes this feature. However, other themes might offer more limited or different styles altogether. It's always a good idea to explore your theme settings and take note of what changes are permitted. After you've confirmed that the new drawer menu style looks appealing and functions as desired on your site, don't forget to save your changes. It's a simple step, but it's crucial to ensure that all your hard work doesn't go to waste and that the adjustments are reflected when users visit your site. And there you have it. Your Shopify site's header menu should now proudly display as a sleek drawer menu. I hope this guide was helpful and straightforward in enhancing your online storefront's navigation. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Shopify experience.